Mr. President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, let me begin by congratulating UNEP on its 50th anniversary. UNEP has played an integral role in leading the global environment agenda since it was established in 1972. Against the backdrop of COVID-19 and the triple planetary crisis, the convening role of UNEP and the United Nations Environment Assembly is more important than ever. This year, Singapore's Ministry of Sustainability and Environment also celebrates our 50th anniversary. Since independence, Singapore has pursued sustainable development, and 50 years on, sustainability remains at the heart of everything we do. Last February, Singapore launched the Singapore Green Plan 2030, a whole-of-nation sustainability roadmap that strengthens our ongoing efforts to fulfill our obligations under the Paris Agreement and achieve sustainable development goals. A key pillar of the Green Plan is to transform Singapore into a city in nature. Despite having one of the highest population densities in the world, Singapore has always emphasized innovative ways to weave nature into our urban fabric and protect ecologically important areas. We will make our urban spaces greener by planting 1 million more trees and provide 200 hectares of new nature parks by 2030. These will act as carbon sinks and provide more habitats for native flora and fauna. In addition, I would like to underscore Singapore's commitment to addressing the global and transboundary challenge of plastics and marine litter. As a small island city-state, Singapore shares the concerns of many countries on the impact of marine plastic debris on our coastal and marine environment. We must work together to strengthen the global response to plastic and marine litter pollution through the development of a global agreement that is universal, practical, and delivers action on the ground. We must be bold in adopting innovative and circular approaches to tackle the challenge, and we hope that UNEA 5.2 will chart a path towards concrete progress. Finally, I would like to highlight the call to action on reducing antimicrobial discharges into the environment by the Global Leaders Group on Antimicrobial Resistance. To avoid a rise in the emergence and spread of drug-resistant organisms and antimicrobial resistance, we must reduce the amount of antimicrobial drug waste entering the environment. This is critical to safeguarding our human and ecosystem health. Singapore looks forward to the adoption of the Ministerial Declaration for the resumed 5th session of the United Nations Environment Assembly and remains committed to working with all member states to advance the global environment agenda. Thank you.